three most important super globals. We have seen our get super global, we have seen our post super global, and now it's time we should see our third most important super global, and that is cookie. And in the lecture of super globals, I told you that cookie is something that gave user result by his previous track. We use cookie all the times, and I know that you are familiar with it, and believe it or not, you work with cookie not as a developer but as a user. Like if you log on to facebook.com and after giving your email and password, your browser asks you to save your password or never save your password. So when you click on save your password will be saved instantly. And on the next day, when you have to browse your Facebook account again, you don't have to give your password because you already saved your password last day on your browser by using cookie. So cookie is like when you request some web address or web service to the website, it processes your request and send you your cardinals according to your request. And while sending response to your request, it also give you an opportunity to save your cardinals in form of cookie. So you request for facebook.com/login by giving your email and password. Facebook PHP is going to process your request and will send back to you your home page of facebook.com and will send a small cookie to your browser that will going to help you next time when you want to surf facebook.com. And cookies are always client side. They saved in your browser like Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. Now how the cookie work and how to create cookie we are going to see in a moment.